Sadık channel. I am the sales and marketing manager in the company. In this video, I'm going to present you ISP-800 series alarm annunciator of Telepro Energy. When you see the carton box, please check if it's any sign of defects or shock or damage. As you have received this box, you can check the alarm annunciator code if it corresponds the order type. And open the box. A quick startup guide and alarm annunciator or first of all, you should check the contents of product package if it is correct or not. First, alarm annunciator and the product code, panel front frame, panel fixation parts, and terminal box. If you have any problem with the sign of the product, please return it to us. First of all, I would like to give you some brief information of the buttons over the front frame. This is acknowledge button, this is test button, this is horn bell button, this is reset button. When you pressed acknowledge button upon an alarm occurred, buzzer will become silent, horn bell outputs will be off, and if the input is still active, corresponding LED blinks in one of them in 2 Hz. Whenever the input goes off, this LED becomes solid, and this button saves modifications done in config mode into memory. Instant of pressing acknowledge is recorded when event recording option is chosen. Let's go with test button. When pressing this test button, it will activate all channel LEDs, buzzer, and relay outputs together. When in mini config mode, pressing it skips to next channel to set. Horn button. When pressing, it will activate or passivate horn and bell outputs. Here, there. Current situation might be observed from the color